In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL RedZone. Let's get started. NFL RedZone is especially useful if you want live coverage of multiple Sunday afternoon games instead of following just one team. The first option is NFL Premium. If you don't want a full live TV subscription, you can get NFL Plus Premium and access RedZone through the NFL app. The plan costs around $15 per month and can be used on compatible smartphones, tablets, computers, and supported streaming devices. Depending on your plan and location, NFL Plus Premium can include additional NFL content and game replays. Second option is live streaming service. If you already use a streaming provider, you may be able to add NFL RedZone through a sports package. Services such as YouTube TV, Hulu Plus TV, Sling TV, and Fubo offer RedZone through eligible sports add-ons or packages. Third option is traditional cable or satellite TV. Many cable and satellite providers offer NFL RedZone through a dedicated sports package. Depending on your provider, you may be able to add the channel through your online account or by contacting customer support. Check your provider's current channel packages and pricing before subscribing. Finally, if you're watching from outside the United States, your options can be different. NFL Game Pass International is available through DAZN in supported countries and can provide access to NFL RedZone along with your NFL content. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.